Forget your wallet, no problem. Let's break down how to grab cash from an ATM using just your Chime app. First things first, fire up your Chime app. Make sure you're logged in and you're on the home screen. You'll see your available balance right at the top. Next, tap on Move Money located in the middle of the screen. It's your gateway to accessing all things fund related. Now, look for the ATM Withdrawal option and give it a tap. This is where the magic begins. Boom, your app will now generate a one-time use passcode and instructions to use at a MoneyPass ATM. Remember, this code is only good for a limited time, so head to an ATM promptly. Find a MoneyPass ATM there all over. You can also find the nearest one in the app. At the ATM, select the Cardless Withdrawal option on the screen. Now, punch in that one-time passcode that you got from your Chime app. Next, select the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind any daily withdrawal limits you may have set in your Chime account. Grab your cash, take your receipt, and you're all set. You've successfully made a cardless ATM withdrawal with Chime. Easy peasy.